Are you a small YouTuber wondering how you can make it in the big leagues with all these other big YouTube gurus? Have you been watching videos about how to grow your channel and SEO strategies and you're not exactly sure what it means? Then you want to stick around for this. Oh, and as a reminder, this video won't be all encompassing. I won't go into detail about how to do each step. It's simply just to be used as a stepping stone for all other small YouTubers like myself. Hey YouTube, I'm JZ, and as the title suggests, today I'm going to be talking about how to grow your channel. Now this is going to be a video that you've never seen before because I currently have 0 subscribers. I literally just made my channel and I haven't made successful YouTube videos before. But over the past month, I've been doing my research into SEO strategies. Now, I've decided that I am not going to drive any of my existing social media traffic over to my YouTube because I want to test out the SEO strategies alone without support from friends and family. Now, you will often hear from larger YouTubers with an existing hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of viewers and subscribers talking about how they grew their channel. But have you ever seen someone from absolute zero and work their way up? That's what I'm going to do with this channel. I am going to post once or twice every week for at least a month just to see how well my channel can do by just applying SEO strategies. Now let's get into it. What is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's the practice of designing your video content so that it ranks high in search engines, and YouTube is essentially a search engine. In fact, it's the second largest search engine next to Google. You apply these techniques. This is to help your videos be found and ultimately get viewers that hopefully turn into subscribers. Alright, so the first tip, it's almost obvious. Use keywords. Let the viewers know what they're going to find. Don't use inside jokes in your title if you have no existing subscribers, because then they won't know. So let the viewers know upfront what to expect. But there are some words and phrases that rank a little bit higher depending on how you word it. Now you're probably wondering, how do I find these keywords? There's multiple ways to go about it. One of my favorite is to go into YouTube and let autocorrect do the rest. For example, if you're making a video about baking, cookies, just type in baking in YouTube or Google and let autocorrect fill out the rest. Or you could use what's called Ubersuggest. Now I like Ubersuggest because it gives a lot of extra data, such as search volume, which is how often people are actually searching for this word, and related words. Keywords is probably the most obvious and most talked about tip because it's honestly that important. Think of the search engine as a bot. It has no idea what your video is about. It can't see it, so it depends greatly on text to categorize your video. But it's more than just a title. You have to take other things in consideration, such as subtitles. Another way that text can help your video get categorized greatly is to transcribe your audio and actually copy and paste it in the description. YouTube allows for 5,000 characters in the description, so make great use of that so that the bots can pick up on what your video is actually about. Lastly, as far as keywords, is your video file name. Now, I don't hear a lot of people speak about this, but it actually matters. Now, if you're posting a video about baking cookies and you're all excited to post it and you're like, yeah, this is gonna be awesome, it's gonna get so many views, I put so much time into it, and then your file name says something like this, you might want to reconsider it and name it something along these lines. That way the bots can pick up. On what your video is actually about. So now that we've got the attention of the bots and in some magical ideal world, your video is ranking high and people are seeing it, what's the first thing they're going to see? The thumbnail. The thumbnail matters greatly, and this is another one that you hear about a lot, but still a lot of people just don't take the time out to make a decent looking customized thumbnail. Research has found that a customized thumbnail gets way more clicks than just the default screenshot of your video. My favorite free editing tool to use for my thumbnails is Canva. It's great. I suggest you go check it out. Now, the most important thing as far as getting subscribers is obviously your content and your personality. And no joke, this is my first time making an actual YouTube video that I'm actually putting work into, and it's difficult. I'm over here talking to my lens, but your content hopefully is informative, it helps someone. Or maybe you're a personality YouTuber, optimize that and make great content and just build on that. Now, you're not gonna get amazing viewers or 100 subscribers after just one video or even 10, maybe not even 100 if we're completely honest, but just keep working on it. Work on your thumbnail and perfect your craft. So to summarize what I just said, text helps the search engine bots get your videos to the right people. An attractive thumbnail makes people want to click, and great content and or personality makes people want to subscribe. So although this is my first video, hopefully this was considered good content. And most importantly, if you found this video, yay! Hit subscribe, hit like, because that means I'm doing something right as far as my SEO strategies. Also, I want to hear from you, the viewers. If you found my video today, tell me how you found it in the comments. Did I come up as a suggested while you were watching another video? Did my video come up as a result while you were searching on YouTube or Google or other? And let me know what the other is. I really want to hear from you. Let me know. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments as well. With that, make sure you subscribe and push the little bell next to it so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video. I'll be posting once to twice every week. All right, thanks for coming to my channel, and until next time.